In this specific video, you're going to learn how to create new posts in WordPress and optimize your permalinks for search engine friendliness. Now, before I go to WordPress and show you how to create posts and so forth, I want to talk about blog post titles because it's very crucial that you get this part right, because this can either decrease or increase your conversions in terms of people clicking on your blog posts and reading them. So I want to make sure that you get the highest conversion as much as possible. So let's talk about it. Congruency is very important, and what I mean by that is this. Your blog title, if it promises something, then your blog body needs to fulfill that promise. So it's sort of like a bridge from the blog title to your blog body. Post titles, I'm going to give you 3 different examples that you can use. The first one is a promise. For example, how to effectively use videos to gain trust on your website, or how to effectively use blank, whatever your website is selling or offering or giving away to solve some sort of problem or to gain trust or anything like that. Or you can have some sort of intrigue. So you got promise versus intrigue. Are your website conversions hurting due to lack of good video? So it's sort of a negative. 10 mistakes that website owners use or make with video that loses thousands of dollars. And as long as your blog body fulfills the promise or the intrigue, then you will have an effective blog post title. I want to talk about a piece of software that you might want to check out that's called AdvantageBot. So if you go to Google here and you type in AdvantageBot, it's this software here. And what AdvantageBot does is this. It's a software that basically has taken a lot of data, and it's really cool because all you have to do is enter your blog title or your headline or your subject headline and so forth, put it into the software, and what it does is it actually analyzes the title and it compares it with the data that it has and tells you whether the title is good or not. So you could test 2, 3, 4, 5 different titles and see which one measures up against each other, and then use the one that has the highest score. So that's just a nifty tool that you can use, and that can really take away the guess out of which titles are good and which titles are not. So with that said, let me go ahead and go to WordPress and show you how to create a post. So what you need to do now is to log into your WordPress dashboard, and under posts you'll see a link that says add new. So click on add new, and as you can see, it's very easy to create a post. All you need to do is enter a title here and of course the body of the post, and when you're ready, simply click on publish. In this example, I'm going to be using a different title, and I'm going to say how to effectively use WordPress to create your site. Now, to be consistent, you want to make sure that your title is similar to your permalink and that your title contains the keyword that you want to rank on. So, assuming this is the title that you want, WordPress is automatically going to generate your permalink. Now, depending on your site, if you're trying to rank on, let's say, a local keyword, let's say for example, how to find a good roofer or plumber in Atlanta, Georgia, you want to make sure that your permalink is similar. So put dashes in between all the words Or you could also do plumber, Atlanta, Georgia. And just want to make sure that you have the keywords up here and the words down here. So in this example, I'm going to keep it as how to effectively use WordPress to create your site. And for the sake of congruency, your title's here, your permalinks here, and you want to make sure that the keyword is in your body. So let's say, for example, we can say in this article, I am going to talk about how you can effectively use WordPress to create your site. And I'm going to bold this. And let's say, for example, I have the body here. You want to make sure that your keyword or related keywords are in your body. And then you want to make sure that the keyword or keyword phrase is at the very end of the sentence as well. I hope you enjoyed learning how you can effectively use or how you can create your site by using WordPress effectively. And you can mix and match the words. And once you're ready and done, click on update. And there we go. Now, of course, if you want to add like an image or anything like that, let's say I want to add an image here. So I click on add media. And to upload files, you just drag and drop them here. But if you've already uploaded files in your media library, click the image, insert into posts. And of course we can do word wrapping, so we can do something like this. Update. That way you've got actual text that surrounds the image. And if you want to use the toolbar here, you can bold, italicize, strike through, create unordered lists, create ordered lists, make these into quotations. You can center align this, right align, left align, create a link by highlighting the keyword, unlinking it. We can insert more tags. You can also click this button and you'll be able to see more options, as you can see here. And when you're done, simply click on update. And once that's done, you can view the post by clicking view post. And that's it. That's how to create a WordPress post.